Welcome to our step-by-step guide to creating a carb cycling plan. In this video, we will walk you through the process of designing a carb cycling plan that suits your fitness goals and lifestyle. Carb cycling is an effective strategy that involves varying your carbohydrate intake on different days to optimize fat loss, muscle gain, and athletic performance. So, let's get started and learn how to create your own carb cycling plan. The first step in creating a carb cycling plan is to set your specific goals. Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, improve athletic performance, or maintain your current physique? Clearly defining your goals will help you determine the appropriate carbohydrate intake on different days. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve through carb cycling. Before we dive deeper into creating a carb cycling plan, it's important to understand the concept behind it. Carb cycling involves alternating between high-carb days, low-carb days, and medium-carb days. Each day has a specific purpose and serves different physiological needs. High-carb days fuel intense workouts and replenish glycogen stores, while low-carb days promote fat burning. Medium-carb days provide a balance between energy and fat utilization. To create a carb cycling plan, you need to determine your daily carbohydrate intake on different days. This can be done based on your calorie needs, activity levels, and goals. High-carb days typically involve consuming 1.5 to 2 grams of carbohydrates per pound of body weight, while low-carb days may range from 0.5 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Medium-carb days fall somewhere in between. It's important to adjust these numbers based on individual factors and preferences. In addition to carbohydrates, you also need to plan your protein and fat intake for each day. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, while fats provide essential nutrients and support hormone production. Depending on your goals, you can customize the ratio of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to optimize your carb cycling plan. Look for a balance that works best for you, taking into account your personal preferences and dietary restrictions. Now it's time to design your carb cycling meal plan. Start by identifying the foods you enjoy that fit into your daily carbohydrate, protein, and fat targets. Incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods to support overall health and well-being. Plan your meals and snacks for each day, ensuring that you have the right balance of macronutrients. Don't forget to also consider portion sizes and timing of meals to optimize energy levels and performance. Once you have created your carb cycling plan, it's important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Keep a record of your food intake, energy levels, and performance to assess the effectiveness of your plan. If you're not seeing the desired results, consider tweaking your carbohydrate, protein, and fat ratios, or adjusting the timing of high-carb and low-carb days. Remember, carb cycling is not a one-size-fits-all approach, so be open to making changes. Congratulations! You have now learned how to create your own carb cycling plan. Remember, consistency and adherence are key to seeing results. Stick to your plan and adjust as necessary to better align with your goals. Carb cycling can be a powerful tool in optimizing your body composition and performance, so give it a try and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching.